Hello everyone, today's topic is Azure Communication Service. I'm going to cover introduction part of Azure Communication Service and also going to cover what are use cases of Azure Communication Service and various core services of Azure Communication Service. So let us start. So this one here I can see this is introduction. So introduction to Azure Communication Service basically. So why we need Azure Communication Service? What is Azure Communication Service? Let's suppose you want to send some communication to your subscriber, to your users, and to your patient and to your customers. Then you can use this Azure Communication Service. It provides various capability where you can send the message, you can do the chat, you can send the audio videos, you can also send the emails also, and there are various other features are also available which we are going to cover here. So let us move to the next slide. Here these are the three things which I am going to cover here. Use cases. What are the business use cases of Azure Communication Service? What are the core feature or capability, or we can say core services available? How are we going to start? Okay, then next one is this one. First use cases, telemedicine. So remotely connecting patient to the care provider through video conferencing. So this service provide capability where you can connect to your patient for mainly medical line. Some patient, let's suppose they are in remote location and you want to connect them, you want to do the video audio call also with them, and then check them, and then care for them. So most of places, these Medicare clinics and medical hospitals, they are connecting through this with their respective patient. And then other use case is remote service support. Yes, and what providing chat to video calling escalations for the remote attendant service at the point of sale. Let's suppose there are some salesperson who are on remote location. You want to explain them about the product, or you want to provide some support from your place to their place. Then this is the best service which we can use, and in that way it supports remote service support. Being used by the sales also. So this is one of the another use case of the service. And then third one is financial advisory. Let's suppose you are a financial advisor and you want to sell your product, or you want to give some advisory, financial advisory, to the person who are sitting some other locations. And then you can use as a translator also the service, and they can see your advisory in their local language also. So in that way, enhancing global advisor and client interaction with rich capabilities such as translation for chat also. Okay, so that is one another use cases of financial advisory. And then one more use case is retail notification. Let's suppose you are running the retail company and you have lots of subscribers who are regular customer, or you can say regular customer, premium customer, or gold customer. You want to set some notification when product price is getting down, right? You want to share some offer with them. Then you can use this Azure Communication Service for sending notification to them, and to sending notifying the customer update with this SMS messages, or even pre-recorded call also. So in this service you can send message, you can send video audios, and you can do the two-way communication also. And you can also use this pre-recorded message or video events. Okay, and then this is rich build communication experience. So this is all about a rich customer anywhere with the fully managed communication platform. That is one. Another one is scale with the global platform used by the Microsoft team. This is kind of alternative of Microsoft team also. Okay, and it is more secure, and it's have capability where you can connect with your business application to this communication service. Okay. And then build on the secure and compliant cloud. So these are the some built rich communication experiences which I highlighted here. Now coming to the main core features, Azure Communication Service core features. So these are the core features. First one is voice, videos, then chat, and then voice and videos. Basically, both kind of communication you can do. And second one chat, two-way communication, two-way chat you can do. And then third one messages. You can send some messages. Telephony is one of the where you can directly take the toll-free number from the Azure, and then any number, you can take the multiple number also, and then you can start your business and start the communications with your customers. And then traversal traversal is also another service capability of this core service which we are going to cover here. Now see, this is first feature, voice and video capability. So here are some highlight which I highlighted: make and receive voice and video call, analyze call metadata also, record calls, interact with your traditional telephone numbers, team interoperability, allow you to connect customer app to a team meetings. These are the capability of voice and video capabilities of Azure Communication Service. And then second, I would say network traversal. Okay, so traversal using relays around turns or net. So this is one of the key feature of this network traversal. And low latency and high throughput. Yes, it is very fast, so highly available and with almost zero latency. And then web and mobile app supports the web and mobile app also, and built with open source web RTC. Yeah, that is very important feature of this service. And build customer client and you often use open source library. Yes, so it's kind of open source library. It's also used the open source library and various other SDK also. And the third one is chat capability. So you can do the chat capability. I'm chat using Azure Communication Service. Chat history, developer uses and quality dashboard, read recipient and typing indicators. All those features are available there. And in next video we'll see the practical of this SMS capability. Simple setup, high velocity, two-way conversations, analytics, and opt-out handling. These are the key highlights here for SMS capability of this service. And telephony capability, this is very important. Let's suppose you want to take toll-free or local or short code or some numbers, then directly you can take this from Azure and the toll-free number, and you start communication with your customer using that numbers. It can be single or multiple numbers also. Microsoft and career networks via one or multiple numbers through portal. Pro Azure portal you can buy. And then fraud protection is also where you can easily protect the frauds. It means it is secure. Service desk and career options. These are the also options available in this telephony capability. And then here are something which I want to highlight, that how to connect when you connect with this users across web and mobile via this communication service. Then these are the some things which are available, various flexible SDKs are also there. Few liners of code you need to write, and most of things are configurable are there, configuration things which you need to configure directly. bring down identity, and then communication expertise not required. A consumption based billing, if you're not using it, or your consumption are very less, then you need to pay less. If your consumptions are very high, then accordingly your bill would be more. So I mean, this is something you can say on demand execution, or on demand basis on your uses. You can go with the whatever you're using, you need to pay for that only. Enhance your customer applications, yes, you can enable this email, yeah, I mean this Azure Communication Service with your application, and you can extend your business in your applications. So that is all as a part of this Azure Communication Service introduction. Now in the next video I'll be covering this demo where I can show you how to create it, and we can see these all features which I explained, core services features on Azure portal, and then we can do this practical of those services, and we'll see. So that is all. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.